As far as prelims concerned, yes, they do ask questions. Yes, but it is not that important for mains examination. This mains there is a segregation. Gradually UPSC has adopted two different approach like this. In past it used to happen, this is, let's say, prelims, this is prelims, this is mains. This, you should know that. So it will happen like it is prelims and it is mains, that way. Now you should know that so when you prepare for your mains, prelims would be covered. This, when you prepare, so your mains will be covered. That's why people prepared for mains, the prelims covered. Right. Now in recent time what has happened? This prelims going in this direction, mains going in this direction. This two different directions. Right. That has increased your challenge like anything. This, it has increased challenge like anything, because your burden will increase. The prelims questions are being framed in such a way that somehow they are being separated from mains oriented question. So that's why nowadays it is becoming challenging to clear prelims more than mains.